The sound and light of independence. The 4th of July is the most sensory day on the American calendar. It's all about smoke, fire, and a whole lot of noise. But it wasn't always the synchronized show we see today. If you want to know why we celebrate the way we do, we have to look at how our noise has changed over the years. John Adams predicted the day would be marked with guns, bells, and illuminations. He wasn't kidding. In the early days, it was loud. People shot guns into the air and banged on pots and pans. It was a raw, rhythmic way for a new country to make sure everyone heard them. Then there were fireworks. They didn't start here. They began as ancient alchemy in Asia, using bamboo and gunpowder to ward off spirits. Later, European royalty used them to show off their power. When they finally made it to America, they became a symbol of triumph. Back then, local amateurs put on the shows. They were loud, bright, and honestly, pretty unpredictable. As time went on, the frantic energy of those early days settled down. By the mid-20th century, the party moved to the backyard. The big and explosive public events became the American picnic, a slower, easier ritual focused on family and the grill. The noise didn't go away, but it definitely changed its rhythm. But we still love a good show in the sky. For a long time, fireworks were our only option. Now, things are shifting. Drone light shows are turning the sky into a digital canvas. It's a different vibe from the old school fireworks. These shows trade the loud boom of gunpowder for the quiet, precise movement of LED-equipped robots. It's safer and easier on the environment, and it lets us tell stories in the clouds that you just can't do with standard fireworks. Our tools have changed, but our instincts are the same. We're people who don't let the sun set on our Independence Day without making some noise. Whether it's the thump of a firework or the hum of 1,000 drones, we are always going to find a way to light up the dark.
Shape your tomorrow. Visit tomorrowsworldtoday.com for the latest innovations, follow at TWT Explore for daily insights, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.